You need to tell it what you do want it to do. So you may say, I'd like you to make me feel better. I'd like you to make me feel more confident.
We're going to reverse park in one of those spaces there.
Okay. Stay in the center here.
Yeah, just like as if you're right dead center in your own lane though, so you're not blocking the oncoming vehicles, any oncoming vehicles. And this is about right here. So you're far enough away from the tips of the yellow lines now.
So I'm gonna park in the second one.
Okay.
Okay, and then I'm gonna align that in the back frame.
Mm-hmm.
And
This black bar should reach that second line right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do I do this while I'm moving?
All the way to the right before you move.
Okay, before I move.
And then the slower you go is this is the right speed here. That way then you won't overshoot the space. And then you keep your head on a swivel looking around.
And if I'm aligned with... I'm just gonna get my nose out of the...
Yeah.
Right about here.
You got it. Right on, man. Done. So that's the trick when there's no cars beside you. Okay, let's go do the forward parking in one of those spaces again. We'll see what these guys are doing. Let's yeah. They're probably going to reverse, but you choose one of these spaces here instead.
Okay.
Yeah. See, they're too far over to the right. They'll never make it in there if they're backing in. They got to be further away from the tips of the yellow lines. Yeah, excellent. Done. Okay. We'll back it out to the left. And we'll head out to the roadway.
Okay.
We're going to make a right turn at the roadway and then a left turn at the lights.
Watching for the crosswalk here. You said a left turn at the lights.
Yep.
Okay.
Right out into the left lane right away, so you're not crossing over that solid white line here.
But focus on positive instructions. And I'll give you a few moments now to do this. Just talk to the part and just persuade it to have this new job.